The de facto PKI solution generally has been Microsoft ADCS that a lot of organizations have implemented. Now, granted, the environment and the organization's network and infrastructure has changed over the last several years, right? You've got cloud, you've got digital transformation happening, a lot of new use cases that PKI needs to accommodate for that your legacy ADCS systems don't really help solve. So organizations are starting to look for a newer sort of PKI solution that is preferably SaaS-based, so they don't have to maintain the infrastructure and the overhead that comes along with maintaining an on-premises solution that can accommodate a lot of these newer use cases, including post-quantum cryptography capabilities or enterprise PKI. A lot of organizations are now coming to realize that they have legacy Microsoft ADCS implemented as their enterprise private trust PKI solution. Now, a lot of their infrastructure is getting dated. They're in the process of having to renew their infrastructure, upgrade the servers. They're starting to look at different systems to migrate off of Microsoft ADCS in order to support all of these new use cases. A lot of customers are doing it in different ways. Some customers are going fully cutting off ADCS and moving off of ADCS to a newer solution. Some customers are slow migrating, so they're introducing a new solution for the newer use cases while slowly migrating off of Microsoft ADCS. Now, getting off of Microsoft ADCS is a huge pain point because they've spent years building out this complex infrastructure, and moving off of it is not going to be an easy task. So doing it in a phased manner and having a solution that can actually help you migrate easily and more seamlessly is what customers and organizations are looking for. So if you look at certificates and cryptography traditionally, right, they've been sort of limited to the realm of the IT admins and the IT teams, generally securing communications between devices. But given the shift in the cybersecurity realm, where we've moved from traditional perimeter network-based defenses to identity being the core of security, there's a renewed importance to not just the human identity piece of it, but also machine identities, which is primarily secured with PKI and certificates. There's a renewed set of interest from the cybersecurity team, from C-level, from the CISOs, from the security teams, in sort of understanding how they can use certificates, PKI, cryptography to really bring in sort of a common platform for identity-based security across both machines and humans.